'Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care.
വളരെ ഈസി ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഇനി ഞാൻ പറയാൻ പോകുന്ന നിങ്ങൾ കുറച്ചുകൂടി
'Cause you're a sky full of stars. I think I saw you. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this is me, Ayisha Shahjahan. For those who are new to our channel, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ayisha and I am a Neet aspirant. Neet is actually a pre-medical entrance examination in India, which means if we want to get an admission in a medical college in India, we have to write the examination called as Neet. So I'm actually preparing for that examination. Right now, I was just revising the concept of organic chemistry, especially the nomenclature part. I already studied all these, but I was just revising because it's actually a volatile part, right? If we didn't study it, I think personally for me, I will definitely forget the organic. I mean, I really don't know. If I didn't revise, it will definitely evaporate from my mind. So I was just revising all those concepts. And also it's been a long time that I came back to YouTube because I was really busy in the past 2 months because of the studies, and I didn't get time to take videos on YouTube. Honestly, it's not about the time. Like, I didn't make an effort to make YouTube videos because I was too much focusing on my studies rather than making videos on YouTube. I really miss making videos on YouTube, but still I was focusing on NEET examination because I must have to crack NEET this year. So yeah, I gave more focus to NEET examination. Yeah, I was too busy studying. Even though I forget organic a little bit fast, but organic is one of my favorite branch in chemistry because it is really enjoyable to study this. I really don't know why it is so enjoyable when it comes to chemistry. So I like organic chemistry and physical chemistry equally. Like, both are interesting, right? actually my favorite subject is physics and chemistry. So if there is any my YouTube friends there who love physics and chemistry more than biology and also a NEET aspirant, then comment down, let me know in the comment box. And this is my break time, and during my break time I just watch something to make me relax. Actually I love dancing and singing, and I am a dancer too, so I usually see to any Korean music band. It may be BTS or it's maybe anything like Mamamoo, or there are a lot of groups, right? So I am actually not remembering every group's name, but I love every K-pop groups. And one of my recent favorite K-pop group is actually Black Swan. Black Swan is actually a group with different nationalities. I mean, the group members are from different nationalities. Like they are from one girl is from Brazil, and one another is from, I think it's from America. So it's not only consisting of Korean members, but also like American and Brazilian members. Okay, so it's the group is really diverse, so I like that group nowadays really well. Yeah.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cold shake, stunner, yeah, owe it all to my
So guys, we are now going to unbox our XYLEM learning kit. So this is what we have waited for a long time. First thing that we get is the handwritten notes of biology, that is the +1 biology. So the next thing is the chemistry book. Every important points and every important formulas are put in a bracket. Now when it comes to the organic part, everything is written in a very neat and good handwriting. And next is the physics book. Physics books also are written in very neat handwriting. I really don't know who write this book, but the handwriting is really good. I really like it. Next thing is the bookmarks for physics, chemistry and biology, and these bookmarks will definitely help us to study faster. I mean, it will definitely reduce the effort of a student. And another thing provided by XYLEM is the daily practice problem book, that is the DPP book, so that we can solve our questions daily. And here comes one of the interesting thing, that is the stickers of our faculties. And this is just a cute gift, because they given this like for a token of love from XYLEM. Any XYLEM student watching my video, let me know in the comment section that who is your favorite teacher. So by the way, this is my favorite teacher, and the name is Famil sir. So that's all for the today's video. Thank you so much for XYLEM for giving us such a beautiful handwritten notes, and thank you so much for giving such an opportunity to study in an online platform when it comes to Kerala. And thank you so much for all the mentors who gives us immense support in every situation and who motivates us every morning. By the way, these are the 100 chapters that we want to study for NEET entrance examination. I just write all that down and stick on my walls. And these are also some of my sticky notes that I put in my door. So that's all for today's video, guys, and I hope all my YouTube friends are doing well and studying well and preparing for their examination in a really good manner. And if you are not studying like your 100% at this week or at this month, it's totally okay, because don't try to be a perfectionist. Please don't do that. Just try your best and just go for the examination, and that's it, because perfectionism ruins a person. Like it's a very dangerous habit to be perfect in everything. So do your best, then that's enough. Hand over everything else to God, okay? Because if you are stressed or if you are anxious about the future, or if you have any tensions of like not completing the syllabus in right time, then just say that to God, and He have the ultimate solution to everything. Why I am saying this right now is because I am a NEET aspirant, so I can understand your emotions. Like almost all the NEET and JE aspirants share the same schedule, or like they all have the same tension and pressure throughout the journey. So this is what I do when I am having any stress or anxiety. Like it will help me a lot. So just have faith in God and just go ahead. And no matter what your goal are, I mean, some of the people just have very high goals, just like they want NEET AAR1 or JE AAR1, just like that. So no matter how your goals are, you can do that. Just trust in God and just go ahead. So that's all for today's video, guys, and let's meet in another video. Until then, I wish you all the very best and love you all, guys, and yeah, take care.
Getting started. And the nights get colder, and the rhythm starts to falling behind. Dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. I can